Military gear and gadgets have come a long way in recent years, with new technologies and materials providing soldiers with an ever-increasing array of options for staying safe and effective in the field. That's why today, considering all these factors, we have handpicked these 10 incredible tactical military gear and gadgets. Introducing the Pit Stop 3, a neck knife from Tops Knives that packs a punch inside a tiny package with some really cool characteristics. This knife is built to last with its durable 1095 high-carbon steel that holds an edge for longer, allowing you to rely on its performance for extended periods of time. Its longer handle offers a much more secure grip, even in the most unexpected situations. The compact blade is the perfect tool for tricky situations, and the compact size makes it easy to carry on a daily basis, whether for self-defense or outdoor tasks. The Pit Stop 3 is the ultimate combination of compactness, comfort, and strength. Now we have a proper ballistic helmet F90 to dive headfirst into any tactical mission. This helmet is designed to be extremely lightweight and offers excellent performance. It masters the perfect combination of extreme performance and weight management, and this is visible after all. The F90 is a 15% lighter than any ordinary advanced combat helmet. This is achieved through the use of ultra-high molecular polyethylene shells and the Avon's proprietary helmet molding technology. The helmet also offers a range of customization options, including rails, NVG shrouds, exterior loop sets, and various suspensions and retention systems, allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs and preferences. Not surprisingly, the F90 has proven to be one of the highest performers in impact and BFD testing, making it a top choice for those in need of reliable and efficient head protection gear. Now, while preparing for any tactical mission, often we forget the basics, as basic as the Wolf combat pants. However, when things get serious, these pants speak volumes with some functional and well thought out features. These pants are made of two-way mechanical strength ripstop fabric that is 65% polyester, 35% cotton. This combination of fabrics is designed in a way to withstand the rigors of combat while providing perfect fit of comfort and convenience. One of the most important features is the 12 pockets with quick access zippers. These pockets allow for easy access to essential equipment and supplies, such as ammunition, first aid kits, and communication devices, without having to fumble through a backpack or other gear. For more character, the combat pants come in 3 distinctive camo colors that easily blend into any combat the surroundings. Getting a compact universal holster can be really tough, but we have got that covered with the MegaFit holster. Sure, it isn't the most discreet or anonymous holster, but it easily fits under your clothing or buckles up firmly to any tactical belt. MegaFit's main USP is that it can accommodate all kinds of pistols and handguns. As a result, it is compatible with hundreds of popular full-size and compact semi-automatic pistols around the world, such as Glock, Ruger, Beretta. Moreover, the MegaFit offers the classic and index finger to release for an easier and more reliable access, with a flexible mechanism shrapnel lock for additional safety. It's easy to be deceived by the 511 ABR plate carrier because of its unique convertible design that looks like a soft-sided briefcase at first glance, but it quickly transforms into a ballistic plate carrier when it's time. The low-visibility briefcase construction allows for easy and discreet carrying, making it ideal for those who need to carry a plate carrier in public. Constructed with lightweight 500D nylon fabric, it is water-resistant, breathable, and reliable. The adjustable shoulder straps with side-release buckles and quick-release waist strap make it comfortable and convenient for quick action in an emergency. Any mission is incomplete without a back that carries essentials while your shoulders carry all the responsibility. and there are not many like the Rothco backpack that provides unparalleled durability to last any military excursion. Its durable heavyweight denier polyester construction and functional design make it a reliable choice for the battlefield. Inside the bag, there are multiple compartments and mole webbing to attach additional pouches and accessories for quicker reach. Another amazing feature that stands above the rest is the hydration system capability, so that you are always hydrated, especially in the middle of any demanding scenario. The ProTac 2.0 is a top-performing flashlight that is designed to handle any tactical situation. It is compact, lightweight, and powerful flashlight that is capable of producing a peak 2000 lumens without compromising on its runtime. The flashlight is powered by Streamlight's new B50 battery pack, which is a next-generation battery that can be charged from both the inside and outside using a USB-C port, making it more efficient and convenient. Lastly, its IP67 rating ensures that the ProTac is reliable even in extreme weather conditions, making it a great option for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals who need a reliable and durable flashlight. Covert M65 is your go-to tactical jacket, with countless features and possibilities like inner hidden pockets for magazines. This jacket is skillfully crafted with a perfect combination of polyester, cotton, and elastane. As a result, the jacket is stretchable, breathable, and will resist water, so users can go rough and tough without worrying about anything. To strengthen the jacket even more, Helikon-Tex used its own Dura-Canvas fabric that is durable for years. Furthermore, its detachable pockets can be utilized impressively to keep all gear items properly concealed, while its inner pockets can easily hold extra mags of your firearm. The Eclipse belt is a revolutionary battle belt designed to handle any tactical situation. It features a lightweight and sleek design, making it perfect for quick response situations. The belt is equipped with a modular buckle and mole pouches and malice clips, which allows you to carry all your essentials easily. The belt comes in 4 sizes, from small to extra large, which makes it suitable for any person who wants to be prepared for a battlefield. The belt's design is also impressive. It's hard to tell if it's a regular belt or a full-fledged military belt with deadly add-ons. With its advanced construction, it only weighs 5 ounces without the buckle, making it ideal for those who don't like heavy, bulky belts. Now let's end the video with the groundbreaking boots, the Strikeforce 6.0. These boots are incredibly versatile, durable, and comfortable, making them perfect for any tactical mission as well as rough days. Its non-metallic construction with upper leather breathable mesh has proven to be reliable and abrasion resistant for years. For ultimate comfort and moisture management, the Strikeforce comes with a fast wicking lining. And these soles are made with ankle protection and shock absorption, so that users don't get hurt conducting the deadly mission. On top of that, these boots are high traction and oil resistant for maximum grip even in the most tricky situations. So that was our list of 10 incredible tactical military gear and gadgets. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, mailoutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.